Hello students, welcome to your EVS revision classes. Students, as I told you that our half yearly examination is going to start from 26th. Okay, so from today we will start revision. So here I have written syllabus for half yearly exam, that is from chapter 1 to 10. Students, we have did revision of chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4 two times in academic evaluation and in our periodic test first also. Okay, so from today we will start revision of chapter 5, 6 and 7, and in next class we will do rest. Okay, so let's start with chapter 5, that is healthy habits. Chapter 5, healthy habits. Students, our body needs good food and proper care to be healthy and fit. We can take care of our body by adopting some good habits. Following good habits help us to stay healthy and fit. So let's start. How can we keep our body clean? To keep our body clean, we should brush our teeth twice daily. We should wash our hair regularly and comb it neatly. We should keep our nails short and clean. To keep our nail short and clean, we should trim it twice in a week. We should take a bath daily. We should wash our hand before and after our meals. We should chew food well and don't make noise while chewing it. We should not stuff our mouth with food. We should use handkerchief to cover our mouth while coughing or sneezing. We should rinse our mouth after every meal. Next is healthy habits for healthy body. We should eat fresh and healthy food. We have already studied these things in previous chapter. We should drink a lot of water because it helps in digestion of food. Next is we should avoid eating junk food. We should sleep early at night and wake up early in the morning. We should do exercise daily and play outdoor games regularly. Maintain a good posture while standing. Now we will move to chapter 6, that is our neighborhood. In the pictures, you can see the correct posture of standing, walking, and sitting. Do not sit too close to the TV screen. It will harm your eyes. Next is keep our surroundings clean. To keep our surroundings clean, we should use dustbin for throwing garbage like waste paper, juice cans, pencil shavings or food wrappers, etc. Do not litter in the room or on the road. What is neighborhood? The places near our house form our neighborhood. The people living in our neighborhood are called our neighbors. There are many services in our neighborhood. So let's know about these services. Park. Every neighborhood has at least one park where children go to play and people do exercise. Next is our local market where we go to buy our daily required items. Next is school, hospital, where we go for treatment when we are sick or injured. Next is post office, where we go to post our letters. And other neighborhood services are bank, police station, fire station, and many other neighborhood services like petrol pumps, sports clubs, and places of worship. Now, we must keep our neighborhood green and clean. We should take care of our neighborhood. We should not litter the places and help to keep them neat and clean.
Chapter 7, that is My School. Okay, name of this chapter is My School. Students, in this chapter we will talk about that why do we go to school, people who work at a school, different types of rooms in school. ठीक है, अलग अलग रूम्स होते हैं, उनके क्या यूजेस होते हैं. एंड वी विल ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट आर ड्यूटीज टूवर्ड्स आर स्कूल, and we will also know about our Shafes Public School, something about our Shafes Public School. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, we all go to school to learn and play. We study in the classroom. We do many new things there. Okay, as I told you that we all go to school to learn and play, and we study in the classroom. Okay, our teachers teach us to read and write. They tell us stories, play games and sing songs with us. Okay, they also teach us good values. वो हमें अच्छी बातें सिखाती हैं, ठीक है, अच्छे आदर्श सिखाती हैं. It is fun to play, learn and sing together. Okay, and do many other activities together. ठीक है, बहुत मज़ा आता है जब हम एक ग्रुप में कुछ काम करते हैं, स्कूल में अपने दोस्तों के साथ कुछ करते हैं और जल्दी जल्दी सीखते हैं. ठीक है. So students, now we will talk about people who work at school. Okay, people who work at school. Principal. A principal is the head of a school. Okay, he or she has an office in the school. The principal guides teachers and students. Okay, वो हमें गाइड करती हैं, टीचर्स को गाइड करती हैं, स्टूडेंट्स को गाइड करती हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट टीचर्स. टीचर्स टीच स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है. डिफरेंट टीचर्स टीच डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स. एज यू सी इन द इमेज दैट सब लोग अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा रहे हैं. ठीक है. And apart from the main subject teachers, there are music teachers, art and craft teachers and sports teachers. Okay, जब हम मेन सब्जेक्ट जैसे इंग्लिश, हिंदी, EVS, साइंस, ये जो भी चीज़ें पढ़ते हैं और जब उनसे कुछ अलग करना चाहते हैं, कुछ फन, कुछ अदर काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ करना चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए भी अलग से टीचर्स होते हैं. लाइक स्पोर्ट्स के टीचर्स होते हैं, ठीक है, म्यूज़िक टीचर्स होते हैं और आपके आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट टीचर्स भी होते हैं. Now students, we will talk about some helpers in our school. Okay, the cleaner keeps the school and the classroom neat and clean. The peon rings the bell when the period starts and ends. The gardener takes care of the school garden. ठीक है. These are some people who help us apart from teaching staff or teachers and principal. These are some people who help us to take care of our school. Okay, we have librarian also, we have other office staffs also. ठीक है. So आपको बहुत लोग मिलेंगे स्कूल में. ठीक है. अब now we will talk about different types of rooms in the school. Okay, like classroom, as I told you in the beginning that we study in the classroom. Okay, हम वहाँ पे पढ़ते हैं, कुछ सीखते हैं. Okay, staff room where teachers जो हैं they sit together. they sit in their free period and do their other works. Okay, वहाँ पे टीचर्स जो है वो बैठते हैं और अपना दूसरा काम करते हैं. ठीक है. जब उनको पढ़ाना नहीं होता है तो दे गो इन टू स्टाफ रूम एंड सिट देयर एंड डू देयर वर्क्स. ठीक है. वॉशरूम इज़ देयर. ओके. नाउ लाइब्रेरी भी होती है हमारे स्कूल में. कंप्यूटर लैब इज़ देयर एंड साइंस लैब इज़ देयर. ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ लाइब्रेरी? वी विल फाइंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बुक इन लाइब्रेरी. ठीक है. And there are some certain rules for library. Okay, and we should follow that. We should sit quietly in the library and read the books, whichever book you want to read you can read. आप अगर अपने सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड बुक चाहते हैं वो भी वहाँ पे आपको मिलेगी. इफ़ यू वांट अदर काइंड ऑफ बुक्स जो आपको पसंद हो तो वो भी आपको वहाँ पे मिलेगी. बट you have to sit quietly in library and read it. Okay, you can borrow that book and read it. You can take it home also. Okay, next है आपका कंप्यूटर लैब where we go to learn computer. साइंस लैब where we do experiments. ठीक है. हम साइंस वहाँ पे साइंस के जो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स होते हैं वो करते हैं. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज दैट असेंबली ग्राउंड और असेंबली हॉल. असेंबली ग्राउंड और असेंबली हॉल क्या होता है? सो व्हाट इज असेंबली ग्राउंड एंड असेंबली हॉल? ठीक है. इन असेंबली ग्राउंड और असेंबली हॉल वी गो फॉर मॉर्निंग प्रेयर. ठीक है. एंड मेनी काइंड ऑफ फंक्शंस टेक प्लेस ओवर देयर. ओके. असेंबली मतलब होता है असेंबल, इकट्ठा होना. ठीक है. वहाँ पे हम फंक्शंस के लिए इकट्ठे होते हैं, सुबह मॉर्निंग प्रेयर के लिए इकट्ठे होते हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ असेंबली ग्राउंड और असेंबली हॉल. कहीं कहीं ग्राउंड होता है, किन्हीं किन्हीं स्कूल्स में आपको हॉल मिलेगा. ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट इज प्ले ग्राउंड वेयर वी गो टू प्ले. ओके. Now we will talk about duties towards our school. It is our duty to keep our school neat and clean. Okay. We should use dustbin to sharp our pencils and to throw wrappers. ठीक है. जैसे हमने आप चॉकलेट्स लाते हैं या टॉफ़ीज़ लाते हैं, जो भी आप लाते हैं, उसका जो रैपर होगा वो आप डस्टबिन में थ्रो कीजिए. ओके. वी शुड नॉट डैमेज स्कूल प्रॉपर्टी. हमको स्कूल की प्रॉपर्टी भी डैमेज नहीं करनी चाहिए. ओके. नेक्स्ट, let us know about our school. Students, let us know about our school, our Shah Faiz Public School. She is late Mrs. Saida Faiz. Okay. And she is the founder of our school. Okay. She is the founder of Shah Faiz Public School. Dr. Nadeem Adhami, director of our school. Miss Atiya Adhami, manager of our school. Mrs. Tasneem Kausar, principal of our school. Okay.
So students, this is all about chapter 5, 6 and 7. Please read this chapter carefully, as you all know that you will get questions from the chapter, inside the chapter. So please read it carefully, learn question and answers, do practice of book exercises. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.